Number one hack, if you've got a loose XT60, which is this, and you find that is really wobbly on here, use a small screwdriver like this. You just put it in between, let me try and get out the light. Put it in between the pins and slightly open them up, and then your XT60 will be really tight again. Number two, use snapped arms where you snapped by flying. A couple of metal standoffs, a little block of hardwood, shaped to a triangle with some cutouts to strap it down. Then you can make custom HD camera armour, which will protect your camera. Hack number three, make your drone easier to find. You can buy this reflective tape. It comes on quite a big length. It wraps is really sticky, it wraps really nice. Wrap the bottom of your drone arms in a bit, so then if it's upside down and your beeper's like your XT60 is unplugged because it gets caught sometimes, or your beepers stop working, you should be able to find it. Or if you shine a little torch, it'll really stand out. Hack number four, use spare motor bolts to build your frame with on the standoffs, rather than using the tiny little head Allen keys that it comes with, because once you put them in, they just round and then you can never get them back out. So you have wobbly standoffs and round Allen keys all in your frame. So if you go chuck them ones away, use some spare motor bolts. They're a bit bigger headed, but you can use a bigger Allen key to tighten them up, so all over then your drone will be much stronger and held tighter together, no rattling. The last hack is to protect your antenna piece, because these rip out all the time. It's a really bad problem. I've got a snapped arm, so what I'm going to do is chop that off. So then I've got this bit, shape a little round piece into the end of it, which fits up the side. Mount it far enough on the drone to there. Drill some holes through, because that piece won't be there. And then you'll have a piece of carbon fibre bolted to your frame, which can protect your antenna from ripping off. And it should, if you hit something, it should just spin rather than ripping this piece complete off your video transmitter. Thanks for watching. If you like this one, I could think of another 5 which I could probably do, so let me know in the comments if you want to see another 5.